Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the section with apps, and for some reason I cannot find it. Alright, it is right here, so let's tap on the apps and then three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap. Now let's tap on reset app preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others disabled app notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.